Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna just do a trade recap of my two trades that I took this week on Thursday and Friday. Been able to pass my account. The Friday one was really short because I just needed $150 in order to pass the account. So I'm gonna just go into my Friday one quickly, and then I'm gonna just go into Thursday, which is the real one. So Friday, as you can see, we're mostly bullish. I was trying to see what price would want to go into and see who possibly we would disrespect this 4 hour gap. As you can see, we never did that. And then specifically when I came down into the hourly, we just do this just because we don't know. Yeah, price is coming bearish. Price respected this hourly for value gap. So I'm really expecting more bearish, trying to go down into either this low or realistically, what I was looking at for Friday when I logged on, I was looking at this previous day low just because of the fact we respected this daily range and this hourly CISD. Um, this hourly CISD was all the way up here, and we kept respecting it. So I was thinking maybe we come down here and then we just sweep down. Um, but yeah, we didn't do any of that. So my one of my main objectives was really this low. This is Wednesday low. See if price will want to come down and get it today on Friday, I mean. So I went down to the 15-minute and I seen we were in this bearish for value gap. So now I'm even more bearish because I want to see price come in, sweep the high inside of here that was in pre-market, or if anything, come tap into this one and then give me a confirmation on a lower time frame. Um, but as you can see on the 15-minute, we kind of price opened up. Really, again, quick trade. Came up, hit this 5-minute for value gap. Once I seen this 5-minute get respected, I came down to the 1-minute. Um, I believe my trade was like around here to here, click to here, take it to these lows. It was basically like a 1-to-1. It's just a quick 1-to-1. I wasn't gonna hold to these lows. I was trying to hold to these 15-minute lows. Like if I really wanted a good TP, but I really didn't need it. I just needed to get my 1-to-1, which I basically did with this. Yeah. Got here CISD for the 15-minute range. I know you can barely see it. 15-minute CISD, 1 minute C for the 15-minute candle range. And yeah, that was about it. I just came here, won this trade, and was able to get my 150 remaining. Um, and yeah, that was it for basically Friday. I tried to look for the rest of the trades because Lucid Trading gave me the opportunity to just uh trade on the same day. But yeah, there wasn't really much else, so we just leave this. We were kind of bullish, and I was mostly looking for bearish the whole day, so I really wouldn't want to have looked for anything. Um, could have seen maybe this bullish candle get respected because of the fact we were in this 4 hour. Again, probably all bias hindsight. We were in this 4 hour, and once we respected it, could have gone to the hourly, seen this candle range, and see once we disrespect this, it was kind of going to be wraps for that. And try and push up, see a 15-minute range. Maybe that would align with it. Again, this 15-minute fair value gap getting respected. And then since we're going bullish, obviously I'd want to hold this. I'd want to look for this realistically, even though we already kind of hit the top of that range and hit the bottom. We already completed that candle, so now I would really be looking at this. But 11 a.m. we already hit the top of this wick, so I would have been, and I'm already off the charts by 11. So yeah, it would have. I don't think I would have took a trade today. This would have been possibly. I think if I would have looked for a trade, it would have been like this 15-minute candle for value gap, and would have looked for bullish up to this hourly high to finish that range, and then since I would have seen this candle, I would have looked for these and then look for 1-minute CISD. even though it would have been pretty late in the day for me. And yeah, we only would have got an entry like after this big dick up and TP here. Like, I guess this would have been the trade, but then again, it's not even a good stop loss. So, oh yeah, I wouldn't even take the trade. After I got my win, I just logged off and called it a day because I just got what I needed. Um, but yeah, now let's go into what would be Thursday. My Thursday trade. I have it up on a file to the right of me so I can see. Cause I took a screenshot. It was on Thursday. What highs did I have marked out? I think I had these highs. I think we just tapped it. Pre-market highs, London highs. Start new. Should do this. Okay, yeah. So going into this day, I was mostly bearish, but because we were stuck in this 1 hour for value gap. So maybe in the 4 hour for value gap too. But I was also seeing this range that we had built because of the fact that we were in this 4 hour fair value gap, respecting it, and then deeper on the 1 hour, we were respecting this one as well. I was trying to see where 9 o'clock would either disrespect this candle or disrespect this fair value gap and we push lower, or if we would end up respecting this 4 hour range that we made pre-market. So I was going to the 15-minute, trying to see if I can get anything. Again, I'm still more bearish structure, so I'm not looking for bullish movements, but if I see something I could relate to it, I could understand it because of the fact we have the fair value gaps getting respected, and especially since this one's in a 15-minute as well, we'd come and sweep it and come back up. I wouldn't mind that. And that's kind of what my two options were. Like either we come and break through this and we're pushing bearish, or we flip this and now we're going bullish. So I waited, gone to the 1 minute, seen 9 o'clock, waited till market open. So as you can see, we came and we swept this 15-minute low. So now I'm looking at a possible 15-minute CISD because that is a correlating time frame to the 4 hour. And I had the 4 hour range clearly marked out that I wanted to see get hit. So as you can see, price came up. We were bearish. We were overextending hella. I was like, oh, we're just not gonna respect the CISD, like come back down, tap it. But as you can see, we started coming down, and I was bearish until this happened. Until I seen this fair value gap get respected. I'm like, okay, now I'm definitely bullish because we came, tapped the CISD, and once we tap the CISD again, and we swept this intermediate low inside this fair value gap, I was like, okay, I'm definitely bullish now. The second 15-minute candle opened. The 5-minute inside got swept. We're now getting more inside here. Seeing this fair value gap get hit. I'm like, okay, gotta wait for confirmation. I see the bounce up. And then yeah, off that bounce up is when I entered. Off the bounce up, entered off this. I didn't want to see us get below this fair value gap. We should have just held and then pushed it up to here. Break even point was gonna be, was it that fair value gap? No, I think break even point was gonna be these highs. Oh, okay, wait. Was it inside of this? Yeah, break even point was this. Was this high? Because we were in this bearish fair value gap. So I was like, okay, I could see us bouncing off this. But realistically, I was already bullish here. So much bullish confirmation. Sweeping the bottom of the 4 hour candle, having a 15-minute change in the state of delivery. Going into the 5 minutes, seeing this fair value gap, massive fair value gap, get respected, and then sweep the internal liquidity off it. This is really what I was like, okay, this is a good bullish confirmation. And then now I'm just gonna wait for the 1 minute to give me something else like a inverse fair value gap. I thought it was that, but no, we didn't have it. So I seen us push 1 minute for value gap, boom, get respected, immediately bounce off it. Now I'm just gonna hold till I needed like a 1 to 2 just to get my like around 1400, just to get enough to have a little bit for Friday. And as you can see, price was bullish, pushed up, pushed up. We were a little choppy here, then I got a little scared. I was like, oh, we might respect this and come back down. But through all this confirmation, I was like, I don't really think we should push anywhere near down. Right here, we hit break even, stop loss break even, waiting, and boom, TP hit. Again, if it was like a real account, I probably would have held to like here, just to hit the hourly. But either way, I just kept it the same rate. But yeah, that was a Thursday trade. It was really good. Was really composed in the fact that I was able to flip my bias and understanding what was happening in the market. Seeing the candle range gave me the 5-minute confirmation in the fair value gap that we were going to change and move up. The 15-minute CISD held, and the retap at 15-minute CISD. I was going to enter off it. I was thinking of entering off the 15-minute CISD off right here on this one or this one. Probably on this push would have been better, because then would have held this, and then here just hold to like up here. But I think I had a better entry here, picking up a better entry off the fair value gap. And yeah, that was my trade. It was a really good trade. Just confirming, seeing what the market's giving me. Confirmed it with the 15-minute change. Confirmed it with the 5-minute fair value gap. Internal 5-minute getting swept as well. And then the 1-minute fair value gap just absolutely getting respected and just pushing up. So all I seen that we were gonna push up and just finish this 4-hour candle range that we did end up hitting, and then we pushed bearish, as you can see. But yeah, that was my trades for this the Thursday and the last week, so that I was able to pass my account. Overall, really good in understanding where price wants to go and just trusting the model, trusting myself, and understanding that there's enough confirmation for me to actually take the trade, and I shouldn't be scared to take the trade. And yeah, it was overall really good. I was really strong this week when it comes to trading, able to pass the account in just a week. Got my first trade on Tuesday, and then Thursday and Friday. I could have took a trade Wednesday, but I didn't really see much, and I think I missed out on a good opportunity that made me not miss out on Thursdays like today, on these days, because of the fact that I missed out on Wednesday. So overall, not a bad trade. I'm not mad. And yeah, I'm actually, what am I saying? I'm actually very happy I won this trade and passed the account. As you can see, I'm now funded. So now I just need to make 150 days. I think I have a goal in mind that I'm gonna hit for this payout, and then from there I'm just gonna make probably stack more accounts. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, thank you for watching.